This training video will show you how to set up your system to electronically send RBills to ABCRC. In order to do this, you must have a scanner to read the bag tags. Call SCS support to get a scanner if you do not have one. SCS supplies two types of scanners. One connects via a USB cable to a regular computer or tablet. With this scanner, you must bring the tags to the scanner to be read. The other is wireless and connects to a tablet that can be around 15 feet away from the scanner. On the computer or tablet that you will use to set up your RBills, you should have an icon called Office. The icon picture may not appear the same as the one on this video. If you do not have this icon, call SCS to get it set up. If you do not have a receipt printer attached to the computer running the program, you may get a printer error message. This can be ignored. Once you start the Office program, you need to sign on with a valid ID. In order to access the RBill information, the user code you sign on with must have administrator status. To set up other users with administrator status, press the User Control button. You will see all the sign-on IDs that are currently available. You can change an ID by pressing the Change button or create a new one by pressing the Insert button. Just make sure that all those that you wish to access the RBill information have administrator privileges. Press the Close button to return to the main screen. The central portion of the screen is for those that have ATMs and can be ignored by other depots, including the buttons that also refer to the ATM. In order to send electronic RBills, there are some things that must be set up first. Press the Utilities button and then the Depot Information button. Enter the name of your depot at the top. Every depot using electronic RBills is given a depot number, a plant CRIS ID, login name, and password. If you do not know this information, then contact SCS support or ABCRD. After you enter this information, press the OK button. Each container type is assigned an item ID by ABCRC. These codes also appear on your pre-printed RBill. These need to be entered into the system for all containers that you handle. This is done by pressing the Inventory Control button. The items you are now using to receive products at the POR stations are already entered. You may have to add specific items to match those on the RBill. Do not delete any records in the inventory file. Those items that match items on the RBill should be checked to see if they are set up correctly. Press the Change button for those items. The item number and description should match what is on the RBill. For the category, if you type anything invalid, then a list of valid categories will appear. Select one from the list. Make sure the price and costs are set up correctly. Ignore the on hand for now. Another video will show you how to do full inventory control. The container quantity should also be set up. This is the number of containers you normally put in the shipping bag. This is not dozens, but must be divisible by 12 for the RBill. Other information on this screen will be explained in the inventory control video. Press the Control tab near the top. The only things you should change here are ABCRC RBill order and blue bag checks. The ABCRC RBill order number controls the item's position on the printed RBill so that it comes out in the same order as current RBills. Look at the pre-printed RBill, and the first item on the list should be given 01 and go up in order to the last item on the list. If this container is to go into a blue bag, then press Yes. Otherwise, press No. Again, do not change any other information on this screen as it controls how the POR system handles this item. Press the OK button when done. This concludes the setup for electronic RBills.